Presenting the Caterpillar 3508, a robust 1000 watt diesel generator set. Let's begin by highlighting the Caterpillar's branding, followed by the identification and parts tag, which provide essential information for maintenance and service. Now let's examine the control panel. This annunciator shows the voltage, the hertz, the total, the hours and battery and all that's in there, and then all the lights and what keys you want to go to. That's stop, auto, run. That's auto right there. That's the run. That's the delay run. That's stop. This is the annunciator panel that shows you if it's an auto or not, or if there's alarm. Moving to key symbols. Each icon represents a specific function or warning. Understanding these symbols is vital for technicians to assess the generator's status and perform necessary troubleshooting. For instance, symbols may indicate low oil pressure, high coolant temperature, or fault conditions. Let's walk around the engine, starting with the fuel system here. We have the fuel filter and transfer pump, ensuring clean fuel delivery. Moving along, oil filter and shallow pan. Down there in the bottom, that's where the oil's at. There's the dipstick. We see it's full and clean. It just changed about a month ago. Moving on up to the coolant, the radiator, showing you it's clean and full. That was also done about a month ago. Now I'm showing you the fuel filters and the fuel pump. If you lose pressure, you got to pump that pump. Then you got the oil filters. There's about 5 in there. You take that cap off, you got like 5 oil filters in there. Then you got the alternator. And then in each one of these cylinders is the fuel injectors. You take that cap off and you got fuel injectors in the top of them. We had to change all 8 of them. It's the Caterpillar logo. On the opposite side, we find the battery system and charger. Charger's on the lower right, batteries on the left. It's got 4 big batteries. And the turbos. There's some large turbos. The batteries provide the necessary power for starting while the charger maintains the charge, ensuring reliable operation. Regular maintenance of these is adding the DXI water. You just add the water in the caps. Regular maintenance of components is essential for consistent performance. There's more cylinders, there's more injectors inside those caps. That is the fuel side of the filters. That's the fuel filters, and that's the oil filters. That's the back side of it. You can't open that side. Finally, let's discuss the secondary automatic transfer switches. These switches manage seamless transfer of power between the generator and the main supply, ensuring uninterrupted service. And then you got adjacent louvers that open during operation, cooling the genset during the operation. Proper ventilation is crucial to prevent the overheating and maintain efficiency. Thank you for checking out my video. Glad to have you. Here's the inside the door. It shows you the inside the space. It's kind of like more louvers. Thanks for watching and have a great day.